I really believe in the future potential of people coming through the educational system to shape practice in wonderful ways, in ways that we couldn't imagine, to come into our profession and really evolve it to being what we need it to be today. And that potential of people who are the 100 to 200,000 people that are studying engineering degrees here in the UK, I don't think we're untapping their potential. At the moment, we're not giving them the fullest, well-rounded education that allows them to go out and act sustainably, act ethically, act equitably, and really be at the forefront of addressing the challenges of our age.
I think we see in the news all this urgency and expression of the importance of what's going on and the extremity of the climate crisis. You see that in the news, and then you go into a lecture and it's like it's not happening. And that is frustrating, it's worrying, and it just doesn't feel fair. It feels like there's these pressing issues and we're told as future engineers that it's going to be our responsibility. But in terms of what we're learning and addressing the issues, there just isn't a connection. There's a massive disparity between what we're learning and what I feel is important and what a lot of people think we should be learning.
I feel quite intimidated going into the workforce, feeling not equipped to engineer for change, and also felt the pressure externally that there is a need for change, and almost being left with it landed on our plate as students. This change is so important as a student transitioning into industry, not having the skills necessary to design and engineer for change. It's something that organisations are looking for. The only reason I'm feeling semi-equipped is because of organisations like Engineers Without Borders UK that have given me opportunities and the skills to learn about sustainability.
Change like this is important in engineering education because I think for a long time engineers have sort of developed, the engineering education system has developed engineers as problem solvers, but actually I think we need to be future imaginers. We need to imagine a different solution space. So a lot of our education is around optimization, and actually we need to see new possibilities. We need to understand engineering as operating in a much more complex socio-ecological space. And that's quite different from how engineering is currently taught. Some of the challenges that I think engineering educators I speak to face is moving from ad hoc change to actually systemic change in their departments. A lot of initiatives are driven by individuals, but actually, and that's fantastic, and we see great change. And then when those individuals move from one university to another, that impetus, that momentum goes. So actually, how do we build systemic change within the university? And that's what I think today's event is really driving at.